Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Rush on iPhone, an easy guide. First, locate the Rush application icon on your device to begin. After opening the app, simply tap the Create New Project button to start fresh. You will then choose the video clips or photos you want to include, perhaps a collection of your favorite memories. Giving your project a clear name, like Vacation Highlights, helps keep everything organized and easy to find later. Once your project is named, it is time to import your media. Use the intuitive media browser to select clips and photos directly from your phone's gallery. You can then simply drag and drop these items onto your timeline, arranging them in the perfect sequence. To refine your cuts, easily adjust clip lengths by dragging their edges or split a clip with a quick tap to remove unwanted sections. This allows for smooth transitions between your shots. Now, let us add some polish to your video. You can choose from a variety of professional transitions to seamlessly link your clips together, like a subtle cross-dissolve. Easily add custom text overlays, such as a title card or a caption explaining a scene. Rush offers many fonts, colors, and sizes to ensure your text perfectly fits your video's aesthetic. You can also quickly enhance your footage with powerful color correction tools and creative filters, making your video truly stand out. With your video expertly edited, it is time to export and share your masterpiece. Take a moment to review the entire video, ensuring every detail is just right and flows perfectly. When you are ready, choose your desired export resolution, perhaps 1080 pixels for excellent clarity. Rush will then process your video, which might take a few minutes depending on its length, saving it directly to your device. From there, sharing your polished creation with friends and family on social media is only one tap away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.